What are the signs and symptoms of ovulation? As a woman, what tells me that I'm ovulating? One is changes in the cervical mucus. Before ovulation, the cervical mucus is usually thick and the woman feels dry. But during ovulation, the cervical mucus is slippery, it is more in quantity, and it is stretchy. The woman even feels wet under her. This is as a result of increase in the hormone levels in the body of the woman and the fluid accompanying the release of this ova or egg from the ovary. Remember that the ovary is an organ that is attached at the both sides of the uterus that allows the egg to be released, and this egg travels through the fallopian tube down to the uterus where it is either fertilized during sex or it degenerates and die if it does not undergo fertilization. Another sign that is being experienced at ovulation is lower abdominal pain. The ovary are two small organs that are located on either side of the uterus. At each ovulation, an ovary releases an ova or an egg. Only in rare cases that you have an ovary or the two ovaries releasing eggs at the same time. So the lower abdominal pain is known as mittelschmerz, meaning middle pain. This pain is felt on the side of the ovary that the egg is being released for that particular month. Though this pain can go unnoticed in most women who do not take care or notice of it. Another symptom that is being experienced during ovulation is acne, acne. Most women call it pimples. This is as a result of increase in the hormonal level, causing collection of sebum or oil under the dermal layer of the skin, and there will be a raise. Some women feel it all over their face or even a spot on their face, and sometimes they feel it over their chest or their back region. Then we have slight increase in body temperature. There could also be breast tenderness. Some women even feel slight headache during their ovulatory period. Then some women feel increased sexual urge or their libido level increases. Then there are mood swings. You can see some women, they could go depressed and become elated. One of the last feelings is nauseous or feeling nauseated. Sometimes they feel like throwing up. All these signs and symptoms women experience. Some women even experience it without taking note of any of these signs and symptoms they have experienced because they do not know that they are ovulating. So how do you know you are ovulating? First, you have known about the signs and symptoms. On the first day of your menstrual cycle, which is the first day you saw your period, take your pen and note it down on your calendar. After you have finished your menstrual period, which usually ends between the 3rd and the 5th day, continue to take note on your calendar and take note of the 12th day. By the 12th day, you will begin to see signs that we have mentioned. You might notice the pimple or acne on your face. Then you might also notice a slight increase in your body temperature. Then on the 14th day, you might also notice that the cervical mucus has increased in quantity and you are feeling wet. After your ovulation, continue to take note of what you feel until the 28th day, which might begin another cycle. You begin to see your menstrual period again.